rejuvenate, and regrow your thinning or lifeless hair with HairMax. Our laser therapy devices use medical-grade lasers to stimulate hair follicles, and independent clinical studies show that treatment can regrow your hair without any side effects. Treatment takes just a few minutes, only 3 times a week. Further aid your hair health using our hair and scalp treatments that cleanse and invigorate your hair and scalp, strengthen your hair, and add visible body and volume. Finally, support your hair from the inside by providing your hair with essential vitamins and minerals with our dietary supplement designed to support healthy hair growth. Find out more about our products and success stories on our website. Start your journey to thicker, healthier hair now.